What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be showing you guys a brand new roof rack from Front Runner. Behind me here we have Andrew's 5th gen 4Runner, and that's what we're going to be installing it on. So let's show you guys what the rack looks like. So here is the rack fully assembled. We went ahead and just assembled it just to make it easier to install on the vehicle. But installation is pretty straightforward. It does come with instructions in the box. As you guys can kind of see here, it's pretty different than what they have currently for other vehicles. So it does look more sleek in our opinion. It's kind of cool that it is a two-piece system as well. So it's separated there in the middle. I think they did that for couple reasons. So if you guys wanted a full size, which this one is, or do a 3/4 rack for some of you guys who don't want the entire rack and to have access to your sunroof or moonroof still. So this one here doesn't have the cutout for the light bar, so we're not going to be installing a light bar up top. The construction of this rack is full steel. It is a thinner material, so it's not going to be super heavy and bulky. Their load bar system is pretty cool. It is unique to theirs, where everybody else does use a 2x1. So this one has one single track down the middle, and it's pretty cool because you can use a bolt to insert it directly from the side, slide it down to wherever you need to, and then attach anything on top. They also have tie down that you can use to slide in here. It's like a little ring. You can use that to use bungees or anything to strap stuff down to the top. The other thing that I wanted to point out is their feet system. So on the side plate here, it bends down and gives you the first foot, but there is also another piece that you can attach to it to basically double the strength of those feet, and that makes it a lot stronger when you guys are mounting it to the roof. All right, so we are now getting ready to put the roof rack on the truck. So me and Andy are gonna lift it and try to maneuver this somehow. It's heavy back there. Okay, there we go. Okay. Are we there?
A little bit back.
So we are almost done here. We just gotta tighten everything down. But so far, it looks pretty good, pretty sleek. So a couple different profiles so you guys can see here. I do like that it's steel, so it's a lot stronger than the aluminum that these other companies make. And these slots right here are genius. Just slide a bolt up in there and put a washer and nut on top, and you can pretty much mount anything to the top of these. So looks pretty good. I like it. Good job, Front Runner. And I like that they use black hardware. I'm going to show you a couple of things here mentioning their hardware. So their hardware is a self-tapping screw pretty much. So when you get these load bars, they do not have any thread in them, so you pretty much have to thread them with the hardware that is provided. So yeah, keep that in mind. And then one other thing is that their front wind fairing is adjustable, so you can move it up and down. You can kind of see the slot right there. So we currently have it all the way down to minimize the gap, but we still want airflow to be able to get underneath and flow the way it was designed. So pretty good. So far we like it. Very solid design. And I do like the top of the wind fairing as well. They bend it so that way it's not just cut right here, and it bends to kind of match. It helps the air a little bit too. So I do like that they use the star shape screws too, instead of the Allen, just because these are a lot stronger. So as you guys can kind of see here on top, Front Runner went with a little bit different design approach. So normally they have more of a basket style. So there's like a edge that goes all the way around the rack, including to the front. But now with this SlimSport one, there's no edge, so no basket. So basically anything you mount on top here can go all the way to the side without having it interfere with that basket style shape. Here's a little side profile view of the rack. So it ends just far enough so that way you can still open your hatch. And then if you guys look in the front here, it actually ends a lot shorter than like a Prinsu or an up top Overland or similar racks. And I think they did that just for more aerodynamics. You can kind of see the window go up there, but it does look good. I kind of like how rigid it looks and all the black hardware, and then that load bar layout and everything just looks really good, and it's really smart the way they did it. Alright guys, that is going to be it for this video. We just wanted to show you guys the new rack from Front Runner and how it looks and all the little details that they put into this new rack. So overall, first impression, we really like it. We like that it is borderless. It is not like a basket style that they're used to or their other racks are like. But yeah, let us know what you guys think about this rack in the comments. And if you guys are not subscribed already, make sure you guys are subscribed. And we'll see you guys next time. Peace.